In an ordinary car park in Woking, public health officials are in an extraordinary race against time. Thousands of home testing kits are being hastily unpacked to swab as many residents here as possible. 2 people have tested positive for the South African variant, and everything is being done to try to contain it.
They shouldn't be worried. This is no different. The symptoms, I gather, are no different, and the response to those are no different. If people are symptomatic, they should go and get tested, and so on. So they shouldn't be worried about this. This is just an exercise to just understand, how widespread into the community this variant is, or not.
But this is why the government is taking action. The South African variant was first detected in the UK in December, with 105 cases now recorded. But today it's emerged 11 people have contracted it with no links to any foreign travel or anyone who'd been abroad. They're from 8 areas of England, including Southport, Walsall, parts of London, Woking and Maidstone. Up to 80,000 people in those areas will now be tested to identify where and how far the strain has spread.
We need to come down on it hard, and we will. This is so important so that we can break the chains of the transmission of this new variant.
I just wonder how confident you are that you can actually contain this new variant, because there's clearly community transmission going on, and it's probably far more widespread than we actually think.
It is not straightforward, and as you say, there may be further cases that we don't know about yet. It's a big effort, essentially finding every single case of it. That is the goal.
So far, there's no evidence the mutation is more dangerous, but there are signs vaccines are a little less effective against it.
The risk is having a variant that potentially undermines vaccine effectiveness, even to a modest extent, but to some extent within our community, when vaccines are a huge part of our pandemic response. And one of the primary ways we're bringing down, hospitalizations and deaths.
Scientists are desperately testing their vaccines against the new strain in South Africa. Very soon, we will know just how effective they all are. Emily Morgan, ITV News.